Hi, my name is Numi. I'm the pretty one. This is how my day began. Ready to go out? I'm looking outside. I'm looking outside. I'm ready to go out. I'm going out. It's so nice out here. I like to smell. Check things out. I'm checking things out, checking things out. Mm. I always. Sometimes it's slow because I had to pull my master on. Oh, now we're going to go for a ride. I want to go for a ride. Let's open the door and go
No,
for a ride.
we're not going in the car. Let's go.
I want to go for a ride.
Let's
Why
go.
is the door not opening?
We're not getting in the car. Let's go. We're not going for a ride. Come on.
Okay, we're just walking along. It's a nice day anyway.
Why you thought you were
And I
going
need to
for a
stretch my
ride?
legs.
No, ma'am.
Mm. I like smelling things. I like smelling the ground. What kind of wonderful smelling
This way.
things smashed into the
Good
ground.
girl. Good girl.
Mm.
Good girl, Numi.
I wish my mistress wouldn't be so slow. She's so heavy to pull. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here with the other little doggies behind the fence.
Numi, you're not going to the neighbor's house.
They don't like me.
Good girl.
That's
Good
why I want to
girl,
go see
Numi.
them so I can tease them.
You're not going to the
I'm
neighbor's
on this
house.
side of the fence and they're trapped behind the fence. Their little fence.
Stop being nosy. Let's go. Why you being nosy?
I'm trying to go over there. She won't let me. Let me try it again. Maybe she won't. No, she won't let me.
Good girl.
Sometimes my mistress is so
You're such a good
uncooperative.
girl, Numi. Numi, you're such a good girl. You're a good girl, Numi. Yes, you are. You're a good girl.
Good girl, my eyeball. Good girl, my tail. I'm a good girl. You be a good girl too, so I had you on a leash. I don't want to be a good girl. That's why they call me bitch. I'm a female dog. I don't want to be I'm gonna get my doggy on. So right now all I could do is just walk down this stupid highway and smell stuff. Which I like to do, really. I like smelling stuff. Come on, mistress. You're just so slow sometimes.
Girl. Who's a good girl? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You know you're not supposed to be over there. That's right. Uh-huh. Good girl. Good girl.
can't wait to get over to that spot. I know that spot. That's when I'm gonna be able to run. Just hurry up and get. You're so slow. I'm trying to get there. I have things to do.
Get your nose out of that. Yeah, we were getting too close to cars, honey. Getting too close to those cars at the top of the hill, huh? You found something over there? What you sniffing? Come here, girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. Let's put the leash back on you.
That's why you're distracting all the time. You don't care. At least not right now.